Welcome. If you're concerned about your phone number being visible on Instagram and want to know how to hide it, you're in the right place. In this updated guide, I'll walk you through the steps to keep your phone number private and secure on Instagram. Let's get started. 1. First, launch the Instagram app on your Android device. Make sure you're logged into your account. 2. Once you're in the app, tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. This will take you to your Instagram profile page. 3. Next, tap on Edit Profile at the top of the screen. This will open the page where you can update your profile details. 4. Scroll down until you see the Contact Options section. Tap on it to access your contact settings. 5. Now, look for the Display Contact Info option. To hide your phone number, simply disable this setting by toggling it off. And that's it. Your phone number will no longer be visible to anyone on your Instagram profile. It's a quick and easy way to protect your privacy and keep your personal information safe. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe for more Instagram tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.